car is, okay? It's just to kind of show you how smooth the car can be at speed, okay? I'll basically tell you what I'm doing with my feet while we're out there. Nice firm braking, but nice and smooth, long and light, okay? Then do a nice slow lift off the brake, okay? Off the pedal, letting the car turn. I'll say off, okay? Now what that is no pedals at all, letting the car coast. What that's doing is putting weight to the front too, and opening up the diff while I'm turning the wheel. The car's turning better than I'm turning the wheel. Does that make sense? Okay, and then I'll say roll into the power. Okay, shift points make sense for you?
Yep.
It's pretty easy with this car, just third gear.
Right.
Third and forward. Watch how much steering I need. It's more about weight on and off the tires than it is to yank the wheel around a whole bunch, okay?
Yep.
I'll kind of help you out with all that. Third gear rolling in. Light brake, lift, off, weight, and roll back into that power. Let the car do the work. Third gear. Fourth gear. Off the gas, brake. Nice and firm. Downshift, carry it. Nice slow lift, off, weight, roll into the power coming out of it. Roll off the gas, roll back into the gas. Third gear, fourth gear, off, brake, firm. Downshift, look to the right, nice slow lift, off, weight, roll into the power coming out of it. One motion, roll with it. Off, brake, firm. Looking left, carry it, off, roll in. Brake, lift, off, and roll in. Nice and straight. Off, brake. Anywhere between the 3 and the 2 is a good spot. Just work on that pressure. Lift, off, light throttle, ride the brake. Off the brake, light throttle, off the gas, straighten it out. Light brake, weight, and roll into the power coming out of it. Firm. Now turn 8, lift, off, weight, let it coast. Light throttle if you need to, hold it in, add it. Light brake, easy steering, wait for it, roll into the power coming out of it. I'll kind of pick it up just a little bit, just to kind of show you it's the same kind of motion through here, okay?
Yep.
Roll into the gas. Third gear, run it out. Fourth gear, brake, firm. The faster you go, the firmer you're on. Lift, off, weight, roll into the power coming out of it. Roll off the gas, roll back into the gas. Fourth gear, off, brake, firm. Downshift. Lift, off, weight. See how the car just works?
Yep.
Then you roll in. You're way patient with there. Carry it out. Brake, firm. Lift, off, weight, roll in. Brake. Lift, off, weight, roll in. Kind of go around that, round it off so you can point this way. Brake, nice and firm coming in, nice and smooth. Lift, off, a little bit of throttle, light brake, off the brake, light throttle, lift. Straighten it out. Light brake, weight, and roll into the power coming out of it. How's that?
That was awesome.
Pretty cool, huh?
It is.
There you go.
So, I mean, how long did it take you to get super comfortable with everything?
Well, when you do it every single day.
Well, yeah, I mean, even then, like, did it take you a couple weeks?
No, it takes you longer than that.
Okay.
It takes you a lot longer than that.
Good deal. Well,
Yeah,
so
a couple
I don't
years,
feel so
man.
bad now, because I'm like, man, second time out, like, you know, I definitely still remember a lot of the things now, instead of just, like, you know, almost information overload. Like, some of that was retained. Now I can think about a few other things while I'm out there. But,
yeah, exactly.
man, once you get out there, like, man, it's still so much.
Oh, yeah. You know, honestly, it takes driving the car, man. It takes just doing it, and you can have a couple weeks under your belt, that's fine. You'll be able to drive the car around, but you won't be able to do what a guy with a year of driving can do.
Absolutely.
Because that's what, when you're going super quick, you have to get comfortable with the rear end moving, because that's getting the car to rotate. And if you can get the car to rotate and point, you can get on power sooner.
Yeah, and my biggest fear is like going, you know, clipping some of those apexes, just, you know, upsetting the car enough to throw it off. But
the cool thing with the apexes, when the car's like that, like if I'm apexing over here, those are working more. And those are the tires that are helping me. These aren't. So these are kind of just along for the ride. Does that make sense? So you're not really upset. You're actually helping the car turn by getting the car up there, because these are the tires that it's working with right now. And you're putting more weight on them, so the car's turning better.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
So it's all about weight transfer. You know, it's kind of like on a pendulum here, like this. It's a false sense going fast when it's doing this.